Yo, let me see that spin move. What on earth is that? Yo, let's fix it up real quick. All right, just get in a crawl start, shoulders over the ball, knees under your hips, and now you're just gonna rip into a spin move. No, 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 no. You can't move your feet first, all right? Get back in that crawl start. Now, don't move your feet first. What you have to do is rip that ball. Let me see it. All right, that was slow as molasses. May fall on your face. Literally just rip that ball as hard as you can over your opposite shoulder. Rip, way better, way better, way better. One more time, get it? Rip, good. To stay as horizontal as possible, and you wanna feel like you're about to fall on your face. So you're trying to keep that momentum, rip it while staying horizontal and falling to the ground as you go. One more time. Good, yeah. So we just fixed your spin move in about 15 seconds. Just make sure to follow me because I post good drills.
Yeah.